Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to our computer class. Now we are going to discuss the second lesson, that is keyboard. So what is the lesson name? Keyboard. We have already discussed in grade 2 about keyboard, isn't it? Okay, tell me what is keyboard? Yes, keyboard is an input device. So look at the picture. This is your keyboard. How many keys are there in a keyboard? Yes, 104 keys are there in a keyboard. Okay, keyboard is an input device. It is used to type data into a computer. You can enter or type data by brushing various keys on the keyboard. Okay, so first, what is keyboard? Keyboard is an input device. It is used to type data into a computer. So students, are you clear what is a keyboard? Yes. And the next one is QWERTY keyboard. Do you know what is QWERTY keyboard? Yes, QWERTY refers to the first 6 letter on the upper row of the keyboard. So, first 6 letter of the keyboard is called QWERTY keyboard. First 6 letter means Q, W, E, R, T, Y. This is the first 6 letter. So, this is QWERTY keyboard. The letters on the keyboard are unorganized. So, do you know what is meant by unorganized? Yes, unorganized means not in order. Okay, unorganized means not in order. Keyboard has some alphabets. No, is it? This alphabet is not in the order. It means it is in collapse order. Okay, and have you all seen the typewriter? Yes, typewriter also has this QWERTY keyboard model. Okay. And the next one, types of keys. The keyboard can be divided into some following groups, that are alphabet keys, number keys, cursor control keys, function keys, special keys. So the keyboard can be divided into some groups, that are all alphabet keys, number keys, cursor control keys, function keys, special keys. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the alphabet keys. So look at the picture. These keys are all alphabet keys. Students, now only we have discussed the QWERTY keyboard. See the keyboard. First 6 letter of the keyboard is called QWERTY. No. See the first 6 letter Q, W, E, R, T, Y. This is the first 6 letter. Are you clear? So these keys are called alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the computer keyboard. So students, how many alphabet keys are there in a keyboard? Yes, 26 alphabet keys. These keys are marked with letters A to Z. These keys are marked with letters A to Z. So, these alphabet keys are used to type words and letters. So, these alphabet keys are used to type different words and letters. Okay, you can type both capital and small letters using the alphabet keys. If you want to type if you want to type capital letters and small letters also, if you want to type, means you can use alphabet keys. Okay, and the next one, number keys. So students, look at the picture. This is the number keys. Here some keys are marked with the numbers, no, 0 to 9. So number keys are mainly used to type numbers. So number keys are mainly used to type numbers. A keyboard has two set of number keys. A keyboard has two set of number keys. The first set of number keys is present above the alphabet keys. So the keyboard has two set of number keys. Okay. The first set of number keys is present above the alphabet key. And the second set of number keys is present on the right side of the keyboard. So the first set means above the alphabet key, and the second set of keys is present on the right side of the keyboard. Okay. The second set of number keys is also called numeric keypad. The second set of number keys is also called the numeric keypad. Okay. If you want to use the numeric keypad, you have to press the numlock key. Okay. If you want to use the numeric keypad means you have to press the numlock key. So students, what is number keys? Number keys is used for to type the numbers. Okay. There are two set of number keys are there in a keyboard. First number keys is present on the above the alphabet key, and second set of number key is present on the right side of the keyboard. Okay. The second set of number keys is called numeric keypad. If you want to use the numeric keypad means you have to press the numlock key. Are you clear, students? Yes. And the next keys are cursor control keys. Cursor control keys. The cursor control keys has four keys that are up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Okay. So tell me, students, we have already discussed in grade 2 about cursor. What is cursor? Yes, a small blinking vertical line is called cursor. A small blinking vertical line is called cursor. See, look at the picture in the left side. One small vertical line is there. No, that is cursor. So now students, are you clear what is cursor? Yes. If you want to type at a different place, you can change the position of the cursor. So cursor control key is mainly used to type at a different place. You can change the position of the cursor. The cursor can be moved left and right or up and down by pressing the four keys. Okay, the cursor can be moved left and right or up and down by pressing the four keys. Are you clear? So what are the four keys? Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. For example, if you want to move the cursor up means you have to press up arrow. As well as if you want to move the cursor down means you have to press down arrow. As well as if you want to move the cursor right side means you have to press right arrow, and if you want to move the cursor left side means you have to press left arrow key. Are you clear, students? Okay. These cursor control key also known as direction keys or arrow keys. So the cursor control keys has still two names. What is that? One is direction keys and arrow keys. Okay. Okay, listen. One question for you. What is the other name of direction keys? Yes, cursor control key. What is the other name of cursor control keys? Yes, direction keys or arrow keys. So students, are you clear what is cursor control keys? Yes. And the next keys is function keys. Students, look at the picture. In the keyboard, some keys are marked with red color, no? Like F1, F2, F3 up to F12. These keys are called function keys. These keys are called function keys. The function keys are placed at the top row of the keyboard marked with F1, F2 up to F12. So the function keys are placed at the top row of the keyboard marked with F1, F2 up to F12. They are used for perform special functions. They are used to perform special functions. For example, F1 is the help key. Okay. Now we are working with the computer. If you want any help means you can press F1 key. Okay, va? If you want to press F1 key because F1 is the help key. Okay. And the next one, special keys. And the next one, special keys. There are some keys on the keyboard which are used for special purpose. There are some keys on the keyboard which are used for special purpose. Some of these keys are backspace key, delete key, end key, backspace key, enter key, home key, shift key, punctuation key, control key, caps lock key. Okay. So the special keys are used to some special purpose. So what are the special keys? First one, backspace key. Second one, delete key. Third one, end key. Fourth one, spacebar key. Fifth one, enter key. Sixth one, home key. Seventh one, shift key. Eighth one, punctuation key. Ninth one, control key. 10th one, caps lock key. These keys and all we will discuss in the next class. Okay, students. So now are you clear what is keyboard and what are the keys? What is alphabet key? Alphabet key is mainly used to type some words and letters. And number keys? Number keys is used to type numbers. And cursor control key? Cursor control key is mainly used to change the position of the cursor. So what is function keys? Function keys is used for performing some specific functions. And what are the special keys? These backspace, delete, these and all special keys. So now are you clear, students? Thank you, students.